Do you know many people are having trouble with threading their sewing machines? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare machine. Switch off the machine, raise the needle to its highest position, and lift the presser foot. Step 2. Guide thread. Guide the thread through slot N, then to the left, following it into slot O from below. Step 3. Use take-up lever. Pull the thread from slot O through the machine's take-up lever and back into slot O. Step 4. Secure thread. Lead the thread into the needle holder's right side guide, securing it with the hook. Step 5. Thread needle. Lower the needle threader, pull thread through the needle, and release slowly. Now, you should be able to thread your Pfaff Tipmatic 1151 sewing machine with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pfaff users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.